In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening an app called Themes that's already on your device. Then you need to click on Featured at the bottom left corner, or Categories right next to it, to tap on Textiles categories. I will go with Textiles from Featured and select Free section over here. Anyway, wherever you decided, tap on any font style you wish to use. Buy it or download it for free. And wait. When your new font style is ready, hit apply. Then wait again. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of mine has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, hit Themes again. Tap on Me at the bottom right corner and select Textiles over here. Then choose default one at the top and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!